everyone, my name is Abhay and today I have with me this brown leather wallet by NAPA HIDE and I will be telling you why you should go buy it right away. I understand that the purpose of a wallet is that it's meant to make our lives more convenient by allowing us to carry all the cards, cash, coins in one place, but it is very important to choose the right wallet, keeping in mind both its functionality as well as its appearance because it matters. NAPA HIDE is a luxury brand that creates impeccable quality wallets like this one right here, and it reeks of fine craftsmanship. This particular wallet has enough slots for you to carry all the cards that you will ever need as well as 2 currency compartments. You must be wondering, how do I pick the right wallet? Well, I suggest you go for a classic black or a brown leather wallet because they look super classy and they go really well with both your casual as well as your formal attires. Also, always invest in a good quality wallet like this one because they age really well. In fact, they become more attractive with time. I personally don't like to carry coins in my wallet because it makes it heavy and bulky, but if you're somebody who likes to have a designated pocket for your coins, there is a variant of this wallet that has a coin pouch. This wallet by NAPA HIDE is not only one of the finest products I have seen and owned, but it's super lightweight and the size is perfect. It easily fits into your back pocket and you don't even feel it when you're sitting down. I know for a fact that this wallet is going to last for a very long time with me and I'm super stoked. It also comes in a great box, so it makes for a perfect gifting option. So I suggest that you go buy it right now and swap out your old wallets with this new one.